Kuble pi barwa ngi pedang sngob haya pi chagatup kubor mentaga janmit. Shwaban paish ki kubor ki babnya ngi ne pechwai ki mat pakongsan. Bams Mai u Justice D.Y. Chandrachud Kubu Chief Justice Basan Pokari India. Lapan long ya kedor bat lang basisni jongka KHASI negasni. Petngor ki District Surveillance Unit MEGHALAYA halor gajing sapyang gajing pangshit ha ki jilla bamarjan. Bat pin kop buram ke HSPDP ye kinong trei months ngopha ban yo jalla bapura. Ki khubor ki babnya u Justice D.Y. Chandrachud hinekasngi ula Bams Mai ko Chief Justice Basan Po jongkari India. Lapin Bams Mai u da ka President kari ka Draupadi Murmu ha Rashtrapati Bhavan. U Chandrachud ula shimti ka kam ha ka jakau Justice UU Lalit ubla shong thait no hinen kasngi. Hakajing penpau ka baning kong jong u shakilat pathai khubor hadian bola dep Bams Mai u Justice Chandrachud ula ong bo untre na ka bentaban wanra ekajing kala hakajing bishar. Hakani kajing Bams Mai layadon lang u Vice President kari u Jagdeep Dhankar komjo ulampang ka Lok Sabha u OM Birla ki menteri ka sarkar pedeng bat kiwe. Kador Bart lang kabashisngi jongka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC kalalong hinnegasngi. Haka kenta kabaningkong lami shibun ki jingkali ban nakaliang UMDC uba AA Shulai habajubab ki jingkali ulaong baka council kamshim la ay kanu ka NOC na kabenta ban bu yaki cook factory na do ka shitarek uyayong jong usnem arhajar arfuar hado ka life way tarek urisaw. Kiway par ki jingkali ki blawanra hakani kasngi kilong halor ka jingtay ka yaw musiang ka jinglum yunyut nalat stadium yaw musiang bat kiway ki mat. Haba ay jubab yakini ki jingkali UCUM ba thombor shiwat ulayathu blayo lum na ka khajna na baro kilyang hado ka lai photrek unaiwing jong usnam arhajar arfuar kalong hado sanpu khandai klur hnriu phuwailak saw hajar hnriu phulai tingka katba ka jing pinlut da ka council kalong sanpu khandai klur khat phralak khandai phunriu hajar chispa khalai tingka. Katnat ka kot ka kya jong ka jala kalalong ka petngor habaro ki District Surveillance Unit hadin ka jing sapriang jo ka jing pangshit dengu ha ka jala Assam bat Manipur. U Principal Secretary katnat ka kot ka kya u Sampat Kumar ulaong ba ki District Surveillance Unit kilalong ki petngor halor ka jing sapriang ka te ka jing pang. Ulaong ba mala ka way pakway ka district ki don ya ki District Surveillance Officer bat kin hap bat pet bnya halor ka jing long jing man. La ban penpau bakate ga jingpang ha Assam kelas dang banjur ha ka bakila don hadu South Pa art punyongut ki bala yopang hapo ki sngi ha Karbi Anglong district kila don hadu South Pa ngut ki bala Shakta ha ka ni ka jingpang nadu ka shitarik unai wing katkum ka National Health Mission Assam.
Yeah, we have the surveillance systems are there, so this is surveillance system, so these systems would pick up. But when you ask, like, we have those systems, but like whenever we have these outbreaks happen in different states, we also get a feedback from the government of India and we alert the entire system. So we have routine systems are there.
Kinong yalam ka Hill State People's Democratic Party negasngi klepin ko burom yawnong 3 months ngobha jong kanigaseng. Habapin pau hakilat pathai khubor u President ka HSPDP uba KP pangyang ulaong ba uba e basay moy ulalong unoy yalam ubla 3 months ngobha hakajing yakhi lai luit banyo ela ka jong jala bapura hakabola shaset pathok hagwahati hadu shibnai ulalong ru General Secretary hakapor bathaw yakatega seng sign perthai hakawai pat kalyang uba basay moy ulakan tui kinoy yalam ka HSPDP bakim day ban kanran din nakimat belawan ra da kinoy yalam ki balalit no bat ru ban beteng nagabenta kalaway ka banwan.
We need to meet him and to express our gratefulness as one of the tallest leaders during those Hill State movement. We are so happy to meet him that he has given us some important reminder that as the party we need to move forward, and we should not forget all the important issues raised by this party from time to time.
Chief Executive Member KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC uba Titos W Khan hinin kasngi ula pleperda ya jaka junga kai bathmai hawa utim maulong sardarship haba ajing kren uba Titos ulaong baka jingte ya kini ka project lapen suki no nagadaw ka jingdon jong ka klam ko vet khat khandai henry ulapen pawpat ya ka jingmen banyu iba lala ban pendep ya kini ka project bat uladon ka jingkermen babun kinong wan junga kai kin wan yu kejat chekate ka jaka Ulaban rap ru babun ki samla jong ketika than kin yo yakalat yo kam yo jam.
Kenang ba ka na central kin yo kan sanction ha kapor ka babiang. Tiak beda ipat ba kani ka terus spot hang ni na nakaliang ka jonga kum CM ngan sapha. La ka jong pat ka proposal la kumnum no sikror siteng. Sa sikror siteng na kabentaban develop ya kanika terus spot hang ni wa ultim. Tikermen ba kanika sanction ngila banyo kapor ke bobiang kenang ba kanong gajingeraw kanang menginyo ban pentre kapor ke bobiang.
Kanarpu Border Area Joint Action Committee hinin kasni kala kerpat no menteri rangba ukan rat ke sangma bante thamma ya ka CNRD block halum shnong na ba ki pat ba ke kendu jing e shibun banyo e ka jing sumar ka bapaka. Ka komiti kala ong baki pat ba jong ka than ki kwa ya ka CNRD block bathmai khanang bakani kan wanra ya ka jingya jan hapdeng ki bor penyat haba ai jing kren chekilat pathai khubor wa assistant rangba shnong ka kyang uba kin jaimon amse ulaong baka jing tai ya kani ka block kan ai jing men toy shibon ki pat ba jong bun tli ki shnong.
And time and again we have been meeting the CM for many couple of times, and earlier also the CM has said that we are going to give the block. However, they have to analyze and study all the relevant materials as to why or why not should be given the block. And today, as the CM said, it's not about the politics or it's not about the election coming. However, it's because of the demand of the public which have been made for the past few years. And as have been said earlier, on the 26th November, not only they will put the foundation stone, they'll directly open an office, including the BDO and all the officials, which will start functioning from the next working day itself. And as requested, Dr. Bashnam Lupchnong and the JAC are happily willing to give a plot of land for the permanent office for the future use. And I
Umentri ketnat puli puthi ubala kemen rimboy hinin kasngi ulalet ban paper da ya kajing rakhe ya ka college week balai pun reu jong ka ribhawi college laishem bentaru hakani kasngi de kinong hikai kinong tre jong kanika college but kikna college shine today and beyond laong uba lakmen shaki khna jong ka college hakapor bo ajin kren kum kongsan daga babenrap baka perthai kala kala baglabat ha baro kiliang kum taw la bathai ki khna bakin long ki balong kala we la shala shisngi bakin long ki bala pen kre la dadon kinu ki jingkala haka joko por la kenturu yaki bakin don ya ka jingket kle bane trailang bat ban buram iwe pat haka emlang ka salang la pelat dru ya ka magazine jong college haka ni kasngi.
So you have to be. When we talk about ignite, we are sometimes cocoon our mindset. We have something and we know something. We have the capability, we have the capacity, but that cocoon mindset somehow we cannot break the shell or conquer. So we have to ignite the inner fire in our heart that yes, we could do it, yes, I will do it, yes, I will become successful.
Mentapat ngin pet ke jinglong jing man kasun beneng hashlong. Kajing shet kalong arpway point pra degree Celsius but kajing kreat kalong cutway degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau kalong khandai pusaw nakshispa men step but nri punyo nakshispa janmet. Kasun beneng kan rang terkhong hakikat tu kat ni ke benta. Sai shi sian pat ngi pen kan maya pi ba yagi ka khubor jangi phila ru ban pet live ha ka YouTube channel but ru phila ban pet yaki khubor ba mala kasngi ha ka Facebook Twitter but Instagram jong ka DD News Shillong. Shwa ban poi shi ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ngi ni pet byang sai shi sian ni kimat ba kong san. Bam Smart Justice DY Chandrachud cùng Chief Justice Basan Pokari India. Lapan long ya kador batlang basisni jongka KHASI henegisni. Pedngor ki District Surveillance Unit ha Meghalaya, halor ka jing sapriang ka jing pangship ha ki jilla Bamarjan. Batun ko buram ka HSPDP ni kinong 3 months ngubha banyo jilla Bapuram. Ti perlok katung ila poi siya bakut jong katup kubor jong imenta ka janmit hadu bangin day siyambiang bat pila shay kasngi kubleye pi baro.